masayang aani ng lahat ng itinanim sa kaingin, na bunga ng pagpapahalaga at paggalang sa inang kalikasan at sa komunidad na kinabibilangan. At ang panghuli ay ang banghi. Uri ng awit ng mga mangyanalangan na nagpapahayag ng kanilang damdamin. Kadalasan, ito ay naawit kapag may malaking pagdiriwang. Maaari rin itong gamitin sa panliligaw at pasasalamat sa lahat ng biyaya na ating natatamasa. At nalulugod po kami na kami na naimbitahan dito ngayon at malaking biyaya rin po ito sa amin dahil nasaksihan po namin ang pagbubukas ng Save More Market dito po sa Bayan ng Lauhan. At hangatin po namin ang pagunlad at paglago ng Save More natin. Congrats po, Naumenios. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Tarot Dancers ng Tubong Mangyan. Palakpakan natin sila. Good afternoon, Save More Lauhan. Are you all excited to join our celebrity guests for today? But before that, Save More prepared a special promo for us. We have opening promos and discounts, especially to all SMAC members who can avail our value pack items. You can save up to 80% in each value pack item. For those who want to avail SM Advantage card, you may avail it for only 200 pesos at the customer service. But wait, there's more! There are more promos for our SMAC members. In celebration of the opening of Save More Lauhan Mindoro, you can avail of a buy to run with Ube, get free chocolate to run with a minimum 1,000 pesos single receipt purchase. There are more promos and discounts in store for us. Don't miss your chance. You can also avail our buy one take one free and price up promo bundles today. So make sure to grab this deal now here at Save More Lauhan. Siyempre dahil espesyal ang araw na ito, nandito para makasaya mamaya ang GMA Sparkle artist, Jeric Gonzalez. O diba exciting? Pwede din kayo magpa-picture kay Jeric o sa bumili lang ng kahit anong variant ng Rexona or any Unilever products. Para mas tumas pa ang energy natin, may nihanda rin performance ang SM Market's cute na mascots, Cassie and Casey. Palakpakan naman natin sila! Nandito na nga ang ating celebrity guest. Excited na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo makita si Jerry Gonzalez? Everyone, please welcome from JB Sparkle, the handsome Jerry Gonzalez. Let's give him a round of applause. Welcome to Say More No Han, Jerry. Salamat at sinamahan mo kami ngayon sa opening ng Say More No Han. We would also like to thank Persona for bringing you here today. We have some questions for you, Jerry. Nakapunta ka na ba sa Nauhan, Mindoro before or is this your first time?
Una-una, gusto po munang bumati ng magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat sa mga taga-Nauhan. And congratulations Save More for a newly open store and maraming salamat for having me. And kung napunta na po ako dito, it's my first time dito sa Nauhan, pero sa Mindoro po, a couple of times ago.
Kapag sinabing Mindoro, ano ba ang pagkain na naiisip mo?
Pagkain, more on seafoods, tama ba? Mga seafoods and then, ano pa ba yung delicacies dito? Kasi more on sa lugar kasi pinupuntahan eh. Puerto Galera, gano'n nila.
So once again, thank you very much, Jerry, for joining us today. Before we let you go, meron ka pa bang gustong sabihin to all our shoppers and fans?
Yes po, again, maraming salamat for having me and sana po abangan niyo ako sa upcoming shows namin. Papromote na po ako yung Widow's War sa GMA Prime. This July 1 na po yan. Ayan, sana po panoorin niyo. It's 8:50 p.m. ng gabi. Kasama ko po dito sa Luis Bea Alonso, Miss Carla Beliana, and marami pang iba. And again, happy shopping po dito sa Save More. Ayan.
Maraming salamat, Jerry. Tulad nga ng sabi niya, para sa mga gusto magpa-picture with our handsome GMA Sparkle artist, Jerry, bumili lang ng any Rexona variant at ipakita ang resibo mamaya sa photo area. So guys, that ends our program for today in a very short while. Magbubukas na po ang Say More Nauhan. Katulad ng nasabi ko kanina, maraming opening promos and discounts at mas marami kayong pwedeng ma-avail if you have your SM Advantage card with you. Huwag palampasin ang mga buy one take one, price off, and bundles including our value packs where you can save as much as 80%. Plus, only for today, in celebration of the opening of Say More Nauhan Mindoro,